50 most used French verbs. To play,
Jouer,
to play,
jouer,
to sing,
chanter,
to sing,
chanter,
to draw,
dessiner,
to draw,
dessiner,
to speak,
parler,
to speak,
parler,
to eat,
manger,
to eat,
manger,
to sleep,
dormir,
to sleep,
dormir,
to write,
écrire,
to write,
écrire,
to read,
lire,
to read,
lire,
to drink,
boire,
to drink,
boire,
to run,
courir,
to run,
courir,
to walk,
marcher,
to walk,
marcher,
to dance,
danser,
to dance,
danser,
to look,
regarder,
to look,
regarder,
to listen,
écouter,
to listen,
écouter,
to cook,
cuisiner,
to cook,
cuisiner,
to clean,
nettoyer,
to clean,
nettoyer,
to buy,
acheter,
to buy,
acheter,
to sell,
vendre,
to sell,
vendre,
to open,
ouvrir,
to open,
ouvrir,
to close,
fermer,
to close,
fermer,
to find,
trouver,
to find,
trouver,
to lose,
perdre,
to lose,
perdre,
to help,
aider,
to help,
aider,
to start,
commence,
to start,
commence,
to finish,
fini,
to finish,
fini,
to teach,
enseigner,
to teach,
enseigner,
to learn,
apprendre,
to learn,
apprendre,
to travel,
voyage,
to travel,
voyage,
to visit,
visitei,
to visit,
visitei,
to call,
appelei,
to call,
appelei,
to ask,
demandei,
to ask,
demandei,
to answer,
répondre,
to answer,
répondre,
to stop,
arrête,
to stop,
arrête,
to build,
construire,
to build,
construire,
to sell,
vendre,
to sell,
vendre,
to push,
pousser,
to push,
pousser,
to pull,
tirer,
to pull.
tirer,
Subscribe the channel. Break,
casser,
break,
casser,
to fix,
répondre,
to fix,
réparer,
to fix again,
réparer,
to erase,
effacer,
to erase,
effacer,
to answer,
répondre,
to answer,
répondre,
to choose,
choisir,
to choose,
choisir,
to remember,
se souvenir,
to remember,
se souvenir,
to forget,
oublier,
to forget,
oublier,
to smile,
sourire,
to smile,
sourire,
to laugh,
rire,
to laugh,
rire,
to cry,
pleurer,
to cry,
pleurer,
to do,
faire,
to do,
faire,
to take,
prendre,
to take,
prendre,
to want,
vouloir,
to want.
vouloir.
Subscribe our channel now. Thanks for watching the video.